Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to understand Descript Layout, so let's get started. So understanding its layout is the first step to unlocking its potential. Upon launching, the Drive view takes center stage, revealing your files and workspaces. Personal files reside in my workspace, while Drive workspace files are accessible by your entire team. Within a workspace, easily manage your files, double-click to open, or click the three dots for actions like removal, deletion, and renaming. To kick off new endeavors, click New for fresh screen recordings or projects. Enter the composition screen where media comes to life. The left sidebar hosts project media. A right-click unveils an array of options. The central area becomes your canvas for editing. After composition, script speed, and even mute tracks with the right panel's capabilities. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.